Meaning of discourse marker.
Discourse marker.
Discourse marker.
Discourse marker.
Discourse marker. A discourse marker is a word or phrase that helps to connect ideas and sentences in spoken or written communication. They do not have inherent meaning on their own, but instead signal the relationship between different parts of discourse. Examples include words such as however, moreover, and in addition. Discourse markers can serve various functions, including indicating contrast, adding information, and showing agreement/disagreement. By using discourse markers effectively, speakers and writers can help to guide the listener/reader through their message and make it more coherent and understandable.